The DASH diet stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. The main goal of the DASH diet is to lower high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. This diet was created after studies showed that certain eating patterns could effectively lower blood pressure without medication. Because of this, the DASH diet is a key piece of advice for people with hypertension and those looking to prevent it. Recent researchers have continued to highlight the benefits of the DASH diet. A 2022 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that participants who followed the DASH diet experienced significant reductions in systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to those on a typical Western diet. Another study in 2023, published in Nutrients, showed that the DASH diet not only lowered blood pressure, but also improved lipid profiles, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The DASH diet focuses on foods rich in essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber, and protein. These nutrients are known to help lower blood pressure. One key part of the DASH diet is reducing sodium intake. The standard DASH diet recommends no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, which aligns with the upper limit recommended by health guidelines. For greater effect, a lower sodium version of the diet limits intake to 1,500 milligrams per day. The diet emphasizes eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. The DASH diet offers numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that it can significantly lower blood pressure, often within a few weeks of starting the diet. By reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels, the DASH diet helps lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. The emphasis on whole foods and balanced meals can support weight loss and maintenance, which further helps lower blood pressure. Additionally, the DASH diet's focus on nutrient-rich foods and low glycemic index options can help manage blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. The DASH diet suggests 4 to 5 servings each of fruits and vegetables per day. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Examples of fruits include apples, oranges, bananas, and berries, while vegetables like leafy greens, carrots, tomatoes, and broccoli are rich in potassium and magnesium. Whole grains are also important, with a recommendation of 6 to 8 servings per day. Whole grains such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats are preferred over refined grains. Lean proteins should be eaten in moderation, with 2 or fewer servings per day of lean meats, poultry, and fish. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds are also encouraged. Low-fat dairy products are recommended at 2 to 3 servings per day, including options like skim or 1% milk, yogurt, and low-fat cheese. Nuts, seeds, and legumes are good sources of magnesium, protein, and fiber and should be included at 4 to 5 servings per week. Fats and oils should be limited to 2 to 3 servings per day, with a focus on healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocado, and nuts, while limiting saturated and trans fats. Sweets should be limited to 5 servings or fewer per week, with healthier options such as fruit-based desserts or low-fat treats preferred. For those looking to follow the DASH diet, making gradual changes is key. Start by adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Pay attention to nutrition labels, especially for sodium content. Choose fresh or frozen foods over canned or processed options, which often contain added salt. Cooking meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and sodium levels. Use herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially for higher calorie foods like nuts, seeds, and oils. Sample DASH diet meal plan. For breakfast, oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a glass of low-fat milk can be included. For lunch, quinoa salad with mixed vegetables, chickpeas, and a lemon olive oil dressing is a good option. There can be different options for snacks like apple slices with almond butter, carrot sticks with hummus, or a handful of unsalted nuts. For dinner, You can include grilled salmon, steamed broccoli, and brown rice. The DASH diet is flexible and can be adapted to suit individual preferences and dietary needs. Whether you are vegetarian, vegan, or have specific food intolerance, the principles of the DASH diet can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. It's important to remember that everyone's nutritional needs are unique. For personalized advice and meal plans, consulting with a registered dietitian can ensure you receive a plan that is both effective and enjoyable. In conclusion, the DASH diet offers a practical, scientifically backed approach to improving heart health and managing blood pressure. By emphasizing a variety of nutrient-rich foods and reducing sodium intake, it provides a balanced and sustainable way to eat for long-term health.